In a bowl, add your jumbo oats and then whole wheat flour together with plain cake flour. And then I'm adding a lot of cinnamon and also mixing everything together until the mixture is nice and smooth. Then into your mixture, add cubed butter. It should be room temperature so it's easier to mix. And going around with your hand and mix everything together until it becomes nice and crumbly. So we are looking like a crumb consistency sort of thing. Then you want to add your mixture into a prepared baking pan lined with some baking paper and press the mixture inside. I've also said 1/3 of the mixture part, so we're gonna put that on top of our cake. I've got here some delicious apples. We're just gonna chop them up just like that into small slices and set them aside. Once everything is pressed, you want to add your apples and line them up nice and neatly just inside and on top. I've got 3 layers here. Now I'm using my salted caramel here. I'm adding some flour inside and mixing everything together. We're gonna add this onto our apples and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. So you want to spread a couple of tablespoons on top and make sure it's nice and even, and just gently go around the cake and sort of move it about. Once you have finished with your caramel, you then want to spread your leftover crumble around, and now the cake is ready to bake. So we're going to bake this for about 25 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit, and it looks just like this. These come out really delicious when you slice into them, and they're very, very crunchy, very delicious. You get this apple, cinnamon, caramel flavor, very kind of crunchy base, and a lot of crumble